Pakistan are off and running. I think it's Chakrabarti that did the chasing. The umpires may want to have a look at that.
Oh, interesting. Left hand extended.
Lovely. Very busy player.
And the length is, well, it is short, but not a lot wrong with it. It's just a good connection, position of the batsman being very low, and that's why he gets that height on the ball and goes all the way.
Oh, glorious. It really is worth the price of admission or your time watching by technology. Lovely touch shot. It's almost as if he wastes no energy or very little energy in playing these shots. Silky smooth. Top class.
Favors that leg side, slow one into the pitch, but here's one, swivels it. It's almost a half sweep, half pull.
Right, he's got hold of one. They needed that, and it's just cleared the boundary for 6.
Is he doesn't premeditate. He waits for a little bit of length, a little bit flatter trajectory. He just powers the ball to the shorter side.
Oh, it was in the air, but split the gap. Thought he would have gone over the fielder anyway.
Over the top. Enough on it, and that'll race away. Classy boundary. Slot sweep. Over the top. Maximum.
Chakrabarti off a bit.
This time it's Barber. Same result. Smashes it and gets to 50.
So he pulls it a little bit short again. The short end of the boundary.
Short and thumped in the gap. Babar Azam gets it to the fence.
It's marginally short. Then he clears that front foot. This is a top shot. Absolutely terrific. And even better placement. That's going to be another boundary away from that fielder.
Time through the onside. That'll get Rizwan to his 50, 52 or 41, and does it with style. The pull shot.
That's a terrific shot. Marginally short of length, but look at that shot. This is a magnificent shot. Half century. I think it's been that. That is just symbolic of the kind of batting we've seen today. Well, of all the things you could do.
And the great white ball bowlers in Bumrah, and that will be close to a no ball on height.
And now through the onside, there's only gaps at the moment as far as Rizwan is concerned. This one is going into the gap as well. Just a single. Are they going to get a second? Yeah, they're charging back for the second. This could be the moment. This is the moment. And all of Pakistan will celebrate, as will these two young men out there. They're a wonderful opening partnership. Mohammad Rizwan, Babar Azam, calm, clinical, and extremely skillful.
And finally, you've beaten India in a World Cup game. It's only a journey, though, remember that.